All right, so we're talking about static electricity. Yeah. All right, so let's remember that atoms are made up of 3 parts. Right, Chance? Who's in chemistry this year?
I took too much classes.
Yeah, you did. It's okay. All right, so you have neutrons that are boring and have no electrical charge. So when a particle has no charge, it's neutral. Duh. Protons are positive and are where? Where are they found?
In the nucleus.
In the nucleus. Good job. And electrons have a negative charge, and they are found where? Outside. What's it called?
Electromagnetic field?
No.
What are we talking about?
What does it start with?
E.
Electron cloud.
Electron cloud.
Yeah, I was thinking
I would write
electron
positive
field, so I was
and
close.
Okay. Did we get all that written down?
No.
How much fruit do you consume a day?
I love fruit.
A lot.
Look, I'm just curious because that's
I feel like my fruit intake is definitely higher than most, like average. See, and I got my water intake checked.
Nope. Okay, we good? Yes? Okay. So neutrons and protons are a lot bigger and heavier than electrons. Obviously, the protons and neutrons make up the nucleus of the atom. Okay, electrons are a lot smaller and have a lot less mass, and they orbit the nucleus.
That reminds me, when's our next reading quizzes?
Shut up, Dylan.
Those are like the easiest things
No,
ever.
they're not.
I almost failed one.
Well, we'll have one for this chapter, so probably next Monday.
Would you like a strawberry?
Thanks, Dylan.
Yeah, thanks.
Hey, Chance, you'll have all of class on Friday to
Y'all are all losers.
work on it because
Those are
they've got calculus tests that will take 2 class periods. So
Wait, we have a calculus test tomorrow. No, we're taking it Friday, and we're using 2 whole periods, so we have an hour and a half to do it.
Because, well,
When did we decide this morning?
oh yeah, tomorrow's practice test day.
Yeah, tomorrow we're gonna have a practice test and then grade together on Thursday. Yay! I love that. Wait, so what's today? Reviewing.
Today we're just going to review.
Okay.
Go over some of the review questions that I gave you guys over the weekend
These are
that
all
I'm sure you guys did
strawberries.
plenty
Can
of.
you throw me a strawberry?
All right, so we got this part down.
Me too, me too.
All right, I'm recording this for other people, so we got to go fast.
smacked it. No.
Hello.
I swear if you guys like smash strawberries in my classroom, I will throw you out the window. Okay.
Triple berry!
I'm a D1 athlete stuck in a fat body.
What did he just say?
Please go put that on the board.
Okay, so again, under normal circumstances, right, we cannot take away protons and neutrons. They are stuck. That's what makes the atom what it is, okay? So we can move electrons around, okay? That's how stuff bonds together. You're twitching because chemistry, right?
Yeah.
But we're not getting into the chemistry stuff. All of this comes down to electricity,
Great.
okay? Right, so the electrons are outside the nucleus. They're not held super close, right? So that's why they can move around easily. Okay, we got that. We still writing? Yes.
Yeah.
Dylan, I'm going to steal a strawberry here in a minute.
I got you. I'm throwing at you.
I don't trust myself to... That's a giant strawberry.
They're
Can I
big.
get one more, Dylan?
They're very good. Yeah, you can have as many as you want. I bought a lot of strawberries. You want me to throw it to you?
It's like as big as my hand. Okay.
See how beautiful that was?
We should launch strawberries. Okay.
Ah,
Yo,
I got it. Land in my mouth.
that would hurt.
With that slingshot,
That will end up in a wall.
I had to buy a new one since we broke it.
I thought you made that.
I bought the slingshot part. It's just a water balloon slingshot. All right, next. It's going to feel like Emma and Kate were actually in physics hearing this video today. So an ion. I wish we could include Kaylee's facial expressions with this video. Ion is formed when an atom gains or loses electrons. That's missing the last word there.
I knew that.
Wait, who's on? Ion.
Call Tommy Hill figure it out.
Tommy Hill figure?
Okay.
Call Tommy, he'll figure it out.
What'd y'all eat this morning?
That's a great question. All right, so an ion is an electrically charged atom. So positive is a cation, right? Loses an electron. Negative is an anion when it gains electrons.
That's one I've never heard of before. What's a cation?
A positively charged atom because it's lost an electron.
And then we got an onion.
Anion, not onion.
Oh, somehow I didn't write this right, like an idiot.
Negative anion.
You just call it an anion?
Yeah, that's what it says. Onion. That's called phonics.
That's what
What is it?
All right.
Ion?
That's how I say it, just because it
I
goes
see
with
what you're
ion.
doing.
A neon.
It's anion.
A tion.
I don't really care. Okay. We got it?
Yep.
Isaac, you good?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so ions attract one another if they have opposite charges, right? So in table salt, positively charged sodium goes to the negatively charged chloride to make the ionic compound sodium chloride, right? Again, this attraction, though, is an example of an electric force. It's all coming together, Chance, isn't it?
Yeah.
It should all come together for you guys, too, though.
I'm
But
not. It's going through one ear, not the other.
oh, great.
We can tell.
Oh, not very nice, Isaac.
I'm just playing. I just heard Tommy Hilfiger a minute ago.
Okay. All right. Next. Okay. So electric charge describes whether an object has an excess or deficit of electrons relative to the number of protons.
Literally not saying that.
Look how flat that is.
Writing helps you remember. Right, Dylan?
Switching.
Write that down. Is it all the chemistry talk?
Probably. Is Princeton gonna win tonight?
All right, so let's move on. So again, electrically charged objects have an excess or deficit of electrons. Electrons have been added or removed, right? Again, we cannot add or remove protons.
That's bad.
Yes. That causes things to go boom.
I was gonna say, ain't that how bombs are made?
Pretty much, yeah.
Nuclear reaction. Nuclear
What she said?
Yeah.
kinetic. Nuclear energy.
Yes.
So that's how they made kinetic sand.
Boy.
Okay, next.
Kinetic.
Oh, I have crackers.
There's room full of crackers.
Okay.
Not me. though.
It was just $2.
Hold on, let me get you a big old fat one.
Earthy one. The last one was kind of yellow.
Just like kind of yellow.
Is this a $40 strawberry?
Oh, like the Korean ones.
Why did you catch it one-handed?
Give me one.
No more throwing strawberries in the classroom.
She got too cocky.
Just go rinse it off. It'll be fine.
Yeah.
That's not even a strawberry.
All right.
It's a little mushy up here.
So again, we can't figure out individually how many electrons, right, get transferred, because that would be really hard to do. We just kind of think of stuff as like bundles of protons and electrons. Okay, we're talking bigger scale now. We're not looking individually. Okay, where are you? You were too busy. So again, we're using symbols, positives and negatives, to represent charge.
I don't take notes in forever.
Like, what math is this? Like, are we adding how many? Like, adding?
Yeah, hold on. We'll get there.
That was crunchy.
All right, we good?
They're not.
Oh, I know that.
Them
but-
too, actually.
So So neutral objects have an equal number of protons and electrons, right? So on this thing below, what's our charge?
Neutral.
You got a whole bunch of them.
All right.
I feel like it's neutral.
Negative.
I feel like
It is
it's
neutral. They're
positive.
all equal.
How do we know?
Positive.
Because they've got the same number of
5,
protons
6,
and
7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there's 12 protons.
It's negative.
And 12.
I apologize.
So therefore, its charge is 0.
So it's
Neutral. Okay? I feel like that's what the next slide has on it. Yeah. Same thing.
There's a place in Florida called Plant City.
All right. Focus. We good? We understand how to count? Hopefully so. Again, so negatively charged objects have more electrons than protons. Positively charged ones have fewer electrons. Okay, so again, positive, negative, or neutral. So that first one is what?
Positive.
What?
That's positive, yeah. I've been saying.
That's
No, it's neutral.
Yeah.
neutral.
No,
That's not.
No, it's
there
not.
are
It's
8
positive.
positives
What?
and 7 negatives.
7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're right.
I'm sorry.
I can't count today.
So it's 1.
So it's,
more possible.
Plus 1.
yeah.
Plus 1.
Yep.
Oh, we're put +1. I just put positive. Okay.
More specific answer.
My bad.
So this one's a plus 4.
I've been saying.
Well, this was definitely negative.
Minus 7.
Good job.
7 of them. So how do they turn this bad? Physics always, it's always like, it's always good and then it kicks you right in the mouth. Right in the teeth.
Is it Saturday or Sunday?
All right, so we added that. So again, so static electricity is the imbalance of electric charge on the surface of an object. Have you written anything down?
Where I write it on paper, I just write the things that are going to affect me in the future.
Okay.
You can always take pictures.
All right, that's what we got.
Any questions? I do actually.
No,
Yes.
That's it?
Yay!
All right,
So how
practice
many
questions.
atoms are in this?
We skipped one.
What is it?
One looks scary.
Why?
Use the key terms in the table below to write a paragraph that
Absolutely.
explains the
Chances
electric
starting to
charges
sound like us.
present in an atom.
We are skipping.
And there's
No, we're
electron-
not.
Electron, neutron, ion, proton, nucleus, cation, orbit, positive, anion, negative, neutral charge.
Sounds like a great question. Do it.
Chance is starting to sound like us. Can we skip one? It looks scary.